Welcome to the world of AI-powered audio processing, where we'll transform raw clips into intelligent Raspberry Pi controls. We begin by acquiring and preparing audio data, mastering recording techniques, slicing, and labeling for machine learning. Discover essential Python tools for audio manipulation and analysis, building our software arsenal for AI-driven audio processing. Dive into raw audio processing, converting time domain signals to frequency spectrograms for advanced analysis. Prepare audio for neural networks through advanced techniques like clip labeling, precise slicing, and efficient batching. Build and train a powerful H5 AI model in Python, creating the brain of our audio prediction system. Deploy our trained model on a Raspberry Pi 5, bringing AI-powered audio processing to the edge. Experience the magic of AI as we control a servo motor with voice commands, showcasing real-world applications. You're now equipped to explore the vast potential of AI in audio processing. The future of sound is in your hands.